Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here. I'm here to do a small little teeny weeny unboxing. So if you're new to my channel, thanks so much for stopping by. Be sure to hit the little subscribe rectangle box. Next to that, if you click on the little bell, you can indicate if you want to be notified with all videos, certain videos, but definitely ring the bell, then you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So this is a monthly, I think this is monthly. It's a little box. It's a little soap / wax sampler. And it's very inexpensive. And I believe it was, I'm trying to think the name, Crate Joy, through Crate Joy, I believe. So it came today. And I thought I would open it with you and check out what the different scents are for this month. Now, when you're watching this, this is October. Oh my gosh, no. This is November. So I want to think maybe this box comes every other month, but this is November of the year 2020. So sometimes people watch videos and they're actually watching an old video and they're asking questions about it, and it might be from like a year ago. So sometimes it's hard for me to give straight answers because it was so long ago. So my new thing is I thought I would do is to indicate when it is I did the video. So yeah, today is actually election day. So I did go out and vote. No trouble there. Everything was fine and dandy. And yeah, I did my civil duty. Okay, so this is from Fresh Cut KY. Oh boy, I smell something very strong. Fall Harvest hand-poured wax melts. And it is through Crate Joy. http://freshcutky.cratejoy.com. And you get 6 pieces. And these are hand-poured wax melts. A warm, comfortable bundle of our freshest fall scents. Like a big harvest basket filled with pumpkins, apples, and more. And I just have to say, I've been battling all day today with a headache / migraine. So either this is going to trigger it to come back again, which it's eased up quite a bit. And those of you that suffer from migraines, you know what I'm talking about. Not a fun time. And sometimes the scents or the light really can bother a migraine. So just saying. So let's check these out. So we have pumpkin ginger, and it says notes of sweet pumpkin blend with peppery ginger, creamy vanilla, and patchouli. I've seen that name before, and that patchouli, that word before, I should say. Not really sure what that is, but these come all nicely wrapped. Sorry about the cello noise, but ooh, pumpkin ginger. Let me try to get it out a little. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's very nice. Let's see. I do smell like a cinnamony scent. Very refreshing scent, very fall-like for sure. I'm not really sure. Pumpkin does have a smell. I know when I bake with it, when you open up that can of pumpkin pie filling. But this is nice. It does have, I'm smelling cinnamon as opposed to ginger. But I like that. So this is the pumpkin ginger. All right. Next we have Lavender Apple Bliss. I love lavender and I love apples, but I'm not sure about them together. So it says crisp apples with herbaceous lavender and a subtle hint of oak, one of our most popular fall scents. Okay, wow. And I like these because you can try different scents, and you know, because oh, this one has a different little bit of wrapping, and you know, just try them out and see what you like. Oh, I'm not so sure I like this. You could smell the lavender, and you could definitely smell the apple, but my first instinct was, it's kind of more perfumey than lavendery, if that makes any sense. Not sure about that one. Not a good scent to smell when you're battling post-migraine. All right, next up, Cranberry Orange Scones. Well, I love scones, and I do like cranberry and orange, and I do like that combo together. But it says bright orange citrus, fruit, and tart cranberry baked into delicate pastry notes and coconut milk. Yeah, pastry notes. Not sure what they mean by that, but let's take a smell. I think they're trying to save a little bit on their bags. That's a little odd. Like the first one was like this, like a little bag. And now these are kind of like big bags cut in half. So maybe they ran out of them. It doesn't matter. It's just the packaging. So, what was the scent of this one again? Cranberry orange. Well, I don't really smell orange. I do smell cranberry. I don't know. I'm not so sure about that one. But, you know, I hate to rule things out because sometimes when you burn them, they smell totally different than, you know, when you sniff them, if that makes any sense. All right, next we have sugar corn pudding. Can't say I've ever had that. November would not be complete without the savory scent of sweet corn, butter, and warm milk. Yum. Okay, the yum is on, it says on here. I'm not saying the yum, not yet. All right, so let's see. I'm trying to open it so I don't ruin the label. So, not too successful with that. So, suggestion to you guys that make these at freshcuttreatjoy.com. You can kind of put the labels on a different way so that, you know. Oh, I like that. I'm getting a fall harvesty scent with that. And it's supposed to be corn. Oh, I smell the sugar, like a sugar cookie kind of. I don't know if I smell corn, but I like that one. That one smells good to me. Okay, we got two more. All right, we got some Sundried Autumn, and it says earthy notes of moss and radish leaf combined with crisp fall air and corn husks. Now that's interesting. Earthy notes of moss and radish leaves. Can't say I know any too much about that, but combined with crisp fall air and corn husks, I do like, I can't really say I like the smell of crisp fall air, but I do like, you know, when the weather changes and you do have that nice crispness in the air from the fall. And let's see. Oh, no, I'm not liking that at all. Sun-dried autumn. Maybe it's the moss and radish leaf, but I'm not liking that. Nope, not my thing. That'll be one that'll go to my daughter. You know, I like to share the wealth, even though, you know, might not be my thing. Okay, now cinnamon glaze baklava. I mean, hello. Who does not like baklava, let alone cinnamon glaze? So it says rich, buttery vanilla with cinnamon and cloves. Gooey honey and caramelized sugar add to the decadence. Well, I'm glad I kind of ended with this one because I'm thinking, oh, look at that one. I just ripped the whole bag on that. Ooh, yes. Yes, definite cinnamon. Ooh, yeah. I'm not sure baklava if I'm getting that, but definitely cinnamon. And I do like the scent of cinnamon and like clovey kind of thing. So yeah, that's it for this month's unboxing of the wax melts. So What about you? What was your favorite? Let's go over them again. Lavender Apple Bliss. I want to say I did not like that one. Cranberry Orange Scones. Maybe. I don't know. Sugar Corn Pudding. Yeah, did I say? Yeah, that's an interesting one. It's like a sugar cookie almost. But a little, I guess it's the corn that, you know, I'm getting that I'm not sure I like. Oh, this was the pumpkin ginger. Yeah, that one I think will be okay. I'm starting to feel like I'm getting my headache back. Sundried Autumn. Yeah, that was the one I did not like. That was a thumbs down. And this is the cinnamon glaze baklava. And that one I did like. So, I mean, majority of them, you know, where we have 6 of them here. So I want to say 4 of them are, you know, yeses and 2 maybe no. There's definite 2 that I will not burn, but the other 4 I will give them a try. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for coming along. So again, this is from Soap/Wax Sampler. Let me open this back up again. So it's freshcutky.cratejoy.com. 6 pieces, comes to your door. I want to say not every month, maybe every other month. So maybe you get like 6 a year. Really inexpensive, but just a way if you enjoy wax melts. I have animals, so I don't really like to burn candles, so to speak. So the wax melts is the next best thing for me. And then you don't have to worry, although these I think are soy, you don't have to worry about any of that black soot or anything from the less expensive candles by doing these. And then what I do is I let them cool. And when I'm done with them, let them cool. And just kind of use like a fork or a spoon and just kind of pop it out of my wax melt warmer. Some people said that they would put them in the freezer, but I just find, you know, just by using like a little fork or a spoon to kind of crack, and it comes right out of the wax melt warmer with no problem. I have a Scentsy wax melt warmer. My only Scentsy wax melt warmer, and it's a little snowman, super cute. I keep him out all year round, and he has a little face on him, and makes a nice night light too, like in the evenings. And I always turn it off. I never leave it burning when I go to bed or leave the house or anything. But I just turn it around so that the face of the snowman is facing the back, and then it just looks like a little nightlight. So yeah, that's what I do. All right, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this. And I know it's hard to tell you through a video as to the scents. Sometimes it's hard to explain myself, but I do know what I like. And definite perfumey smells, if it has too much of that, is a definite no-no for me. So thanks for coming along. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you're at. And I look forward to seeing you back here again real soon. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite scent. All right, everyone. Bye for now.